These exercises will make your arms grow very quickly. Beginner or advanced, home or gym, there's something here for you. Watch till the end and pick the ones that fit your level. In this video, you'll learn the best arm exercises for size and strength, how to perform them correctly, and how to combine them into an effective arm workout without wasting time. Exercise 1. Dumbbell Hammer Curl. Raise the dumbbell toward your shoulder with your palm facing your body. Keep your elbow close and still. Lift with control. Pause briefly at the top, then lower slowly. Perform 10 to 15 reps per arm for 2 to 4 sets. Exercise 2. Seated Dumbbell Curl. Sit upright on a bench with your chest up and back straight. Curl the dumbbells upward with control. Avoid swinging or leaning back. Perform 10 to 15 reps per arm for 2 to 4 sets. Exercise 3. Incline Dumbbell Hammer Curl. Sit on a bench set at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Start with your arms extended downward. Curl the dumbbells up with control, focusing on contraction. Perform 10 to 15 reps per arm for 3 sets. Exercise 4. Dumbbell Seated Preacher Curl. Sit at a preacher bench and rest your arms firmly on the pad. Curl the dumbbell upward in a slow, controlled motion. Lower the weight fully to stretch the arm before the next rep. Perform 10 to 15 reps per arm for 2 to 3 sets. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more effective workout guides. Comment below which exercise you're adding to your arm day. Train smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.